said, today is day 2 of Breaktime 5, and we are now heading to another place for Twiggz Workshop. Let's go. Twiggz-niichan. The first video I saw of him was at the recent Eilers, where he danced to a bug mix of Ryuichi Sakamoto's Merry Christmas Mr. Lawrence, and I was like, oh my gosh, I want to meet him so badly. Yeah, he also does a lot of KRUMP things in Japan, Tokyo, so I'm excited to see what he has to share. I just walked past this place yesterday. Yeah, go. Japanese remix, anti up. Yeah, thank you for coming.
First time in Singapore. I was so enjoying. And I want to share the good KRUMP culture in the Singapore and support. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. Hey, workshop watta. They're still talking over there. I don't know if you can see. I feel like the workshop was tough, but it also gave a lot of like tips and things to work on your KRUMP, so that was really good and useful, and I really enjoyed it. I wanted to ask some questions, but he already answered them, so that was pretty cool, and got to know a little bit about like his thoughts on the KRUMP scene and like experience and history in just dance. So that was really dope, and I'm so happy that he chose to come to Singapore instead of Australia. Aussie. Aye. Yeah, but I'm really thankful, and it is like an honor and pleasure to get to experience this in my home country. Yesterday, when I was trick-or-treating, no one chose tricks, and I'm a bit upset because I didn't get to do any tricks. One takeaway that I think that I want to give you guys is that think about the reason behind your KRUMP, and like be aware of the energy that is like incoming or you're trying to output, so you can like perform better and practice better, and then eventually you will level up. Not his words, but what I interpret from his class. Yep, see you tomorrow. Adios.